Hello and welcome to Mybusybiz. This video will outline the features of the Mybusybiz File Manager. To access the File Manager, click the icon. The File Manager allows you to create and manage all your business files. To create a file, click the Create File button. You will notice the File Manager has automatically created a file number for you. If you have a file number, you can place it in the internal file number field. The file status is currently new, as this is a new file. You can later change that file status. You can create a general file or a business file. You can also select your file preference. If your files are contractor files, customer files, client files, patient files, or project files, just select your preference. If you don't see your preference on the list, click Other and create your own preference. You can now assign the file to the users. Once you assign a file to a user, the file will show in their file manager. We provide basic fields. You can enter as much or as little information as you like. Each window is expandable. Click the plus sign to open a window and the minus sign to close it. You can also add additional contact persons onto each and every file. This is great if you want to keep track of emergency contacts or if your file requires more than one person for your business records. The important file information, general file information, and additional file information are part of your custom database. These fields will be created in the configuration area. The information you're seeing right now is not part of actually your database. These are just test fields so that you can see that you can enter different fields into these areas and then track the information for your specific business. The Action Detail Action Requested section allows you to set preferred response, make comments and special instructions, and set due dates. Our Estimates window allows you to easily create estimates right online. You can either provide an estimate or request an estimate with this feature. If you have file documents, your file documents can be uploaded in this area. If you don't want other users viewing the documents, select Private Documents. You can also upload images. Once you have completed your file, be sure to save file by clicking the Save File button. Once the file has been created, it will show in the File Manager. You can easily search your file by any criteria: name, file number, address, any information you have entered on that file. This way you can easily access your business information. The Invoice History area allows you to see whether or not a customer is a good paying customer or they're habitually late. Simply search for your customer invoice and then you can have a look at all the invoices that you've had for that particular customer. The configuration area allows you to either use the light system to reflect your file status or control the file status on your own. The File Preference Custom Field Configuration area is the area where you create your own database. This allows you to create fields that are specific to your business. For instance, let's say that you're a contractor. You can easily enter fields in based on your particular type of business. Once these fields have been entered, they then become part of your custom database. You can complete all these fields, or you can come back to this area and add fields for information that you want to track about your business. As a contractor, let's say you want to determine whether or not you'll require subcontractors. Simply enter subcontractors, and this will create a field you also want to know how you're going to be paid. Whatever it is, whatever you want to track, you make that choice. This is your database. You control the fields and you control your business. Once you save these fields, they become part of your database. If I now create a new file and I select it's a contractor file, these fields will show under my important file information. These are the fields that we just created. Now I can enter in the information that I want. Again, all this information will be saved once you hit the Save File button. If you require additional fields, simply go back to the configuration area and add your additional fields. Fields are provided in the Important File Information area, General File Information, and Additional File Information, so your database can be quite extensive. You can also create more than one database. We hope you have enjoyed your tour of the Mybusybiz File Manager. Thank you.